What is rebalancing? What is the aim of rebalancing? Why should you do rebalancing? To get answers to all these questions, we have our investment expert Mr. Gurraj with us. Gurraj, the stage is all yours.
What is this rebalancing? For example, you started with allocation of 60% in equity, 30% in debt, and 10% in gold. So your 10 lakhs was distributed like this: 6 lakhs, 3 lakhs, and 1 lakh. Right. Now, when market goes up, your equity will give you more return. So the ratio changes. If you see here 66, 24, 9. Right. Now, if it goes up further, it will go up further. If you don't do anything, what will happen is when the market corrects as in December 8, then there will be a huge loss in your portfolio, 53% fall, right? But at the end of 5 years, you will still say, oh, okay, I got 10 lakhs became 17 lakhs is fine. But if you have done that rebalancing, which is the next slide, right? What is rebalancing? Whenever it goes above that 60, I bring it back to 60. That is what we are doing here, rebalancing. It became 66, so I brought down to 60. What it means is I will sell some portion of my equity, put that money to debt. So if you have done this rebalancing, you can see in December 08, the loss is only 38%, whereas there it was 53%. And overall, instead of 17 lakhs, you have got 19 lakhs. So this is something which you have to follow with your advisor. Your advisor will be able to do this. You can do this on an annual basis or decide, sit with the advisor and understand how frequently you have to review, rebalance. All these are important. So for me, it's very simple process. Was do proper asset allocation, do rebalancing, and fix your goal.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.